Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong May 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or mag-book kayo directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Taurus, let's see what's the energy, kaperahan ng mga Taurus, May 2026. Friendship. Oh, ayan, mukhang meron kayong importanteng friendship connections that will help you with your career, with your business, or maaring you are networking. You are connecting to your community. You also have harvest. So this is harvest time for you sa mga inifortan mo, trinabaho mo, sa mga sacrifices mo ng mga nakaraan. So May for you is harvest time. Maaring may rewards, awards, recognition kang marireceive sa iyong mga pinaghirapan. You also have health, so magpo-focus ka na sa kalusugan mo. Kasi alam naman natin, health is wealth, di ba? Hindi tayo magiging productive kung hindi maayos yung ating kalusugan, kung meron tayong sakit, di ba? So yan, mag-i-invest ka sa iyong health. Maaaring kukuha ka ng insurance or mas magti-take ka ng mga supplements na mas magpapa-strengthen ng iyong body. Or yung iba sa inyo, yung career ninyo nasa health and beauty, ganyan. You have the rose. Rose is about love, loving yourself, taking care of yourself. Maaring merong focus on, kumbaga meron kang, pwedeng pagkakagastosan mo yung sarili mo ngayong May, about what you really want for yourself. And this is also embracing who you really are, ano talaga yung gusto mo, what your heart wants, what your passion is in terms of career or business. You also have moth. This is about your instinct, intuition. Mas magre-rely ka on instinct and intuition ngayon. Of course, meron tayong mga realistic na goals or practical decisions, but yung instinct mo is going to be on point na yan yung magli-lead sa'yo sa tamang landas when it comes to making a decision or making choices pagdating sa trabaho, career mo, or business. Ooh, you also have the snake energy. Snake is about healing. So some of you, ito na yung time na makakabawi kayo kasi mas malakas kayo ngayon. Maayos yung kalusugan ninyo. And this is also about progress, no? Pwedeng merong change or transformation in your career path, in your job, in your business, na you are leveling up, or yung iba sa inyo, merong rebranding na mangyayari. Kasi pag sinabi naman natin rebrand, hindi naman kailangan brand owner ka. It's like you rebranding yourself to a different persona or to a different, parang kumbaga, new packaging. Kung baga sa mga pagkain, new packaging. Palit-balat, ganon. So, transformation for you. Maaring iba, mag-shift kayo ng career path. Let's say, nasa medical industry kayo, lilipat kayo sa food industry. Based yan sa inyong passion, whatever you are passionate about. Let's see what else. Taurus. Okay, you have the King of Wands. Very much business-minded yung energy nyo. You are always on the go. I also see na you want to expand. Expand your career, expand your horizon pagdating sa business. And kung ikaw ay may balak mag-abroad, maaring ito talaga isa-set mo na yung goal mo doon para makapagtrabaho ka na abroad. I think some of you, you've been waiting for the opportunity to come into your life. So, konting tiis pa kasi merong patience na kailangan dito, merong kailangan hintayin, maaring yung mga requirements or mga kailangan mo i-accomplish ay nasa line up na. Kumbaga, ngayong May, it's a time for you to process everything. You also have the Four of Cups. May discontentment dito or someone na nare-realize niya na hindi niya dine-deserve ang isang sitwasyon. So, maaring sa career, trabaho ninyo, alam niyo na you don't deserve kung ano yung meron na binibigay sa inyo ngayon or natatanggap ninyo because you know that you deserve more because you are giving more. So, you will not settle for anything less than what you deserve. Now, you have the High Priestess. This is your abilities, your instinct, your intuition, your wisdom. You are collecting all of them and ina-analyze mo. How are you going to use it? Paano mo gagamitin yung kaalaman mo? I also see you now working in silence. Ito yung tipong hindi mo na kailangan i-announce what is going on with your career, what is going on with your business. You are focused on delivering what should be done, kumbaga. I think this is also your way of protecting your energies, protecting your business, protecting your career. Kasi pwedeng in the past, medyo merong pagsasabotahing naganap or may mga taong nag-try to bring you down. But this time, you are more careful sa mga actions na gagawin mo. You know better now. Inherent wisdom is emerging at this time. Watch it and ready yourself for a rebirth. Diba? Ito rin yun. Wisdom that you are gaining from your experiences. And also, merong rebirth para sa'yo. Parang ikaw yun nga, rebranding or merong bagong ikaw or maaring bagong responsibilities, bagong leadership role, bagong interest. So anything new in your life is emerging. It's part of your rebirth. Feel and allow a deeper sense of peace to fill you now. This is a divine quality. So, mas gusto mo nga ngayon to work and move in silence, kaya mas tahimik ka ngayon na ina-achieve yung mga goals mo. Magugulat na lang sila na wow, ang layo na palang narating mo, ang dami mo na palang na-accomplish kasi nga, mas pinili mong manahimik at magtrabaho na lang kung ano yung goals mo. Smile, you will soon enter a wonderful journey of inner discovery. So I think you will discover your other abilities, talents, skill set na hindi mo akalain na meron ka pala nun. Kasi, minsan kasi hindi natin yan alam because distracted tayo sa mga nangyayari sa paligid natin. But the more that we focus on ourselves and, see through within us, doon natin mas makikilala yung sarili natin and magugulat na lang tayo na, wow, these are the things na kaya mo palang gawin. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.